Aeromobil 4.0. Meet the Aeromobil 4.0, a groundbreaking vehicle that seamlessly blends the functionalities of a car and an airplane. This exceptional machine made its public debut in 2017, crafted by the innovative team at Aero Mobile. Safety is a top priority in the Aeromobil 4.0, featuring a state-of-the-art crash structure constructed from composite materials. It also boasts a special connection point for its wings, integrated into a sturdy carbon cradle at the heart of its frame. When it comes to speed, this remarkable vehicle can hit the road at an impressive 160 km per hour. In the air, it takes performance to new heights, reaching a maximum speed of 360 km per hour. Built using advanced monocoque construction techniques, the Aeromobil 4.0 ensures strength and durability. In terms of dimensions, it stretches 5.9 meters in length, 2.2 meters in width, and stands 1.5 meters tall, making it larger than your average car. The Aeromobil 4.0 is not just a vehicle, it's a revolutionary step in personal transportation, combining the worlds of automotive and aviation like never before. EHang 184. The EHang 184 is a pioneering passenger drone built to carry one person weighing up to 100 kg. It features 8 powerful propellers attached to 4 sturdy arms, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 100 km per hour. The drone can fly for approximately 23 minutes on a single charge, making it ideal for short-distance urban transport. What sets this drone apart is its ease of control via a smartphone app, which simplifies the flying experience for users. Additionally, a fail-safe system ensures that in case of any malfunction, the drone can land safely through remote control. Inside, the cabin offers a single seat, a tablet for navigation, and an air vent for comfort. Unveiled at the 2016 Consumer Electronics Show, CES, the EHang 184 has generated significant buzz. Though pricing hasn't been confirmed, estimates suggest it will be priced between $200,000 and $300,000 when it hits the market. PalV Liberty. The PalV Liberty is an extraordinary hybrid that merges the practicality of a three-wheeled car with the excitement of an autogyro, or gyroplane. Crafted by PalV, this innovative vehicle allows for a seamless transition between driving on the ground and soaring through the sky. To pilot this futuristic machine, you'll need both a driver's license and a gyroplane pilot's license, adding a unique layer of adventure to your journeys. Its compact, aerodynamic design not only complies with modern regulations but also makes it a highly practical solution for daily commuting, whether you're navigating busy streets or taking to the air. When on the road, the rotor and propeller fold neatly away, allowing power to be directed to the wheels, transforming it into a smooth and efficient three-wheeled car. With a high center of gravity, it provides stable and controlled flight. First introduced in February 2017, the production model captured attention at the Geneva Motor Show in March 2018. With deliveries expected to begin in 2023, the PalV Liberty is set to redefine personal transportation and open up new horizons for travel enthusiasts. AirDrive. A new era in amphibious adventure. Meet the AirDrive, the revolutionary inflatable amphibious vehicle that transforms the way we travel. Engineered with advanced double-wall fabric technology, this extraordinary vehicle boasts innovative wheels featuring in-wheel electric motors and state-of-the-art wiring systems, taking your journeys to the next level. Picture yourself operating it remotely, much like a drone pilot, granting you unparalleled maneuverability. This lightweight and foldable wonder is perfect for a variety of adventures, whether you're exploring waterways, aiding special forces during crucial missions, carrying out smooth rescue operations, or simply seeking an exciting day out. The AirDrive's remarkable adaptability and versatility make it a true game-changer in the world of transportation. Embrace the future of amphibious travel as the AirDrive reshapes possibilities, establishing new benchmarks for convenience and performance. Get ready to experience the excitement today. Toyota Concept One. Introducing the Toyota Concept One, a daring step forward in the world of transportation. This innovative vehicle highlights Toyota's dedication to crafting cars that serve as true companions in our everyday lives. First revealed at the 2017 International Consumer Electronics Show, the Concept Y series delves into the realm of advanced driver assist technologies. These smart vehicles harness the power of cutting-edge AI to learn from and adapt to the unique preferences of each driver. Although the price of the Toyota Concept E remains a mystery, it reflects the automaker's dream of making mobility accessible and enjoyable for everyone, including seniors and individuals with physical limitations. At the heart of the Concept Y series is the ability to understand the driver's choices and emotions. By leveraging AI and automated driving features, it seeks to enrich the driving experience, intuitively responding to the driver's needs and sensations. This concept car offers us a sneak peek into a future where transportation feels seamless and natural. Morgan Super 3. Introducing the Morgan Super 3, a one-of-a-kind three-wheeled sports car that beautifully fuses vintage allure with cutting-edge technology. This remarkable vehicle takes the place of the Morgan three-wheeler, which was retired in 2019. The Super 3 boasts a fresh chassis and sleek bodywork, all while preserving the exhilarating experience of open-air driving. Under the hood, it houses a powerful Ford 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine, generating an impressive 118 horsepower and 110 pound-feet of torque. Equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission that powers the rear wheel, the Super 3 can rocket from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 7.1 seconds, hitting a thrilling top speed of 120 miles per hour. Weighing in at a mere 635 kilograms, this lightweight marvel features a robust steel tube frame, aluminum body panels, and a stylish composite bonnet. The independent front suspension ensures a smooth ride, complemented by a rear swing arm for stability. Uni-One. Step into the future with the Uni-One, a cutting-edge electric vehicle designed to offer a driving experience as seamless as using your smartphone. This stylish ride showcases a contemporary cockpit and provides internet connectivity, elevating your journey with high-tech features. The Uni-One's clever 3-seat configuration places the driver right in the center, with passengers comfortably positioned behind. Its powerful 67 brake horsepower electric motor enables impressive acceleration, going from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 9.9 seconds. With a top speed of 75 miles per hour, this vehicle promises an exhilarating and efficient ride. You have the choice of two battery options: a 12 kilowatts battery that offers a range of up to 93 miles or a robust 24 kilowatts battery that extends your range to 186 miles. ELO Motors E1C. Meet the ELO Motors E1C, a groundbreaking three-wheeler that's both eco-friendly and budget-friendly. This impressive vehicle is currently in the works, undergoing validation and testing. It first captured attention as an engineering prototype at the 2016 Los Angeles Auto Show. Safety and performance are top priorities for the E1C. It boasts a robust unibody frame, an enhanced suspension system, and built-in airbags for added security. Under the hood, a 0.9-liter three-cylinder engine powers this vehicle, delivering 55 horsepower and 95 pound-feet of torque. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the E1C stands out with an impressive 84 miles per gallon on the highway and 49 mpg in the city. Nissan Max-Out EV. A few years back, Nissan made waves with a bold $18 billion plan to develop electric vehicles. They caught everyone off guard by revealing a futuristic virtual convertible, but that was just the beginning. Now, that sleek design has come to life as a full-scale concept. While details are still under wraps, we do know this. The Max-Out blends retro 80s aesthetics with cutting-edge electric power and features Nissan's e-Force all-wheel drive system, specifically built for EVs. To give you an idea of its potential, the Nissan Leaf, which also uses e-Force, cranked out an impressive 304 horsepower in tests. So, we can expect similar performance from this head-turning convertible. Nissan also announced their goal of launching 15 all-electric vehicles by 2030. Could this stylish convertible be one of them? What do you think? Gibbs Amphibious True. The ultimate all-terrain vehicle. Introducing the Gibbs Amphibious True, popularly known as the Humdinger. This extraordinary vehicle is designed to excel on both land and water, making it a true marvel of engineering. Equipped with a sturdy four-wheel drive system, it's powered by a supercharged V8 gasoline engine that churns out an impressive 350 horsepower. On the highway, the Amphibious True effortlessly reaches freeway speeds, providing an adrenaline-pumping ride. When it's time to hit the water, it glides along at over 30 miles per hour. The switch from land to water mode happens in just seconds, allowing for quick and easy transitions on your adventures. Spanning 7 meters in length, the Amphibious True is offered in both 3-seater and 6-seater options. This flexibility makes it a fantastic choice for first responders who must act quickly in urgent situations. Honda Nuvi. Introducing the Honda Nuvi, a groundbreaking vehicle crafted to maximize the potential of privately owned cars that typically sit unused for 96% of the time. The Nuvi, which stands for New Electric Urban Vehicle, seamlessly converts into an automated rideshare service when the owner isn't driving, offering a fresh approach to urban mobility. But that's just the beginning. When electricity demand spikes, the Nuvi can sell surplus energy back to the grid, turning your car into a valuable power source. This cutting-edge vehicle is equipped with Hemi. Can-Am Spider F3S. Meet the Can-Am Spider F3S, an exceptional motorbike that seamlessly blends sporty performance with luxurious touring comfort. At its core, the F3S boasts a robust Rotax 1330cc engine, producing an impressive 115 horsepower. It features a semi-automatic gearbox, complete with a handy reverse function for smooth navigation. Plus, a vehicle stability system ensures a secure and controlled ride. The F3S stands out with its bold LED headlights, a stylish sporty grille, and an intuitive 10.25-inch touchscreen interface. This system integrates BRP Connect and Apple CarPlay, keeping you connected wherever the road takes you. With 2 riding modes available. Dodge Ram Widebody. The Dodge Ram Widebody kit gives the Ram 1500 an even tougher, more commanding presence, adding 3.5 inches to each fender. This bold upgrade features a sleek new hood, grille, tailgate spoiler, and custom front and rear bumpers, all made from top-tier fiberglass. You can easily paint the kit to blend perfectly with your truck's finish. Tailored for Ram 1500 models from 2019 onward, this widebody kit is priced at approximately $4,000, not including installation or paint. You can purchase it online or through authorized Dodge dealers. What really sets this kit apart is that it amps up the truck's rugged style while keeping its performance and warranty intact. If you want to turn heads and make your Ram 1500 truly stand out, the Dodge Ram Widebody kit is the perfect choice. Ida Automotive Hemi Healy. The Ida Automotive Hemi Healy is a breathtaking rebirth of a 1956 vintage legend, expertly restored by top American car specialists. This iconic car carries a proud racing legacy, having dominated competitions with its powerful Chrysler Hemi engine under the hood. Restoring this classic was no small feat. It took months of dedicated craftsmanship,